you go, Rocco, fight it. Look at him sitting on the edge. Pepsi there. He's a natural. Let me have a look. Wait, 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 slow down, slow down. Let him run, let him run. What is it? Salmon or? Oh no, catfish. Ah, you got a catfish. Yeah, how do you feel to have a catfish? Big, ugly catfish.
Ew. Can you eat catfish?
Gotta be careful, they have a big spine on them. Oh.
Ew, what the heck are those?
Whiskers. Feels like it's... Where is it? Another shark. So yeah, we just kept catching catfish and shark after shark after shark. So we ended up heading back in to do some land-based fishing. But I had to stop the video there because what I thought was a harmless bit of fun between a father and a son putting around on the boat, YouTube didn't feel the same way. So I gave Rocco a turn at driving the boat, and turns out you're not allowed to do that, but I wasn't familiar with YouTube's sort of community standards, I think they call it. So they actually gave me a strike for that. I've been in YouTube jail for 7 days, so that's why I haven't been able to post any videos. I did appeal it. I did say, hey, look, I'm very sorry, didn't realise there was any harm in it. I was standing right there. Basically, he was just sitting on the seat holding the steering wheel. Wasn't even technically driving the boat. So won't be doing that kind of stuff again because apparently if you get 3 strikes on YouTube, you're out. But yeah, I want to now quickly show you some of the land-based fishing that we got up to. Most of this water's from the Applin's Weir. It's all spilling over. So it's not a high tide or anything. This is actually a lot of brackish water at the moment. This is a good little bait spot here. Let's see what we get. It's a good fishing spot too, sorry, but I like to come here and throw the net. Every now and then you get lucky, get a bit of big whiting. But really I just want some... Oh, here we go. Here's a bit of dead fish happening. There's a few more there. All these scat. It's not a good sign if I'm going to try get some bait. It's obviously to do with the fresh water, but it could also be some algal bloom on the rise. I'm yet to hear an answer on that. Seen a few videos getting around of the Horton and a few other places. We'll soon find out. So hopefully there's not a really bad fish kill here in the Ross, because that would be devastating. If we had the Ross River completely stuffed. Let's just hope it's just isolated to a few areas. Oh, more of these big scat. Hey everyone, this is Elliot.
Hi.
You're waving to yourself, Elliot, because you're going to be famous, alright? You're going to see yourself on the TV. Hey! Did you get that on film? Yeah, I did. I got that on film. That's why I went barefoot, baby. I know how slimy this is. raging.
You gonna swim that or what? You gonna swim across? How did you get down? What do you want to do? Swim or you want to walk?
Can you touch
Deep.
the bottom?
No. Look here, look right here.
How'd you get down there?
They just jumped down from the top there.
Alright.
There's no crocs here. Have you ever swum in the rocks before?
Oh, can you get that off for me? What are you talking about swimming? I got that on film too, bro.
Yeah, well.
It's shallow, bro.
Yeah, you have the exact same idea.
Oh, hang on, it's dropping off.
We just beat you to it.
She's dropping off a bit deeper. Oi.
Woo, that water.
Oh, we made it.
That rings.
You right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks so deep, eh? But it was more just boggy on the base. Oh, that's how you did it. That's a bit of a jump, though. Oh, she's slimy too, bro. Just be careful. Oh, it's been years since I've done this, man. So slippery. Do as I say, kiddies, not as I do. This is not recommended. Aye.
Better now.
Yeah, it's fine. Still slimy though, eh? Take it easy. Put it all down first. Right there, right in the whitewash. Right in the wash. Might try to put a weedless on. See the croc up there? there. You can see the spiky tail, eh?